Good morning, my dear. Today I will discuss these all topics which are flashing on the screen that are related to MS Excel. As you know, this is my first class after class test 3. First, how to rename, insert and delete a worksheet. Next, how to select a single cell or range of cells or non-adjacent cells and selecting all cells in a worksheet. That means the selection procedure for your cells, range of cells, non-consecutive cells, that all I will be discussing. Next, how to get the benefit of undo and redo, delete, remove, and copy cell contents. So these all one by one I am going to discuss. First of all, I will go for the sheet. So for doing this, I must have to open MS Excel. So I am writing here in the search box MS Excel. Now you can see Excel has been opened. Now, question is what? How to rename a worksheet. Just now you can see, my dear, on the sheet tab, you have sheet 1. Okay. I want sheet 1 to be changed into standard 9th result. Then what I will do, first of all, I will click the right mouse button here and you can see rename option is there. You click on rename and write standard 9th result. Now you can understand, as earlier sheet 1 was written, you cannot understand that sheet 1 is having information on which topic. But as I rename from sheet 1 to standard 9th result, I can know it. Oh, this cells contains information of standard 9th result. Got it? Now, the next part, that is how to insert and delete a worksheet. Just now, first I will discuss how to add a sheet. Okay, you have other process also. You go in insert there, and there you can add a sheet also. Understood? Or wait, now see, first you click here plus sign to get the new sheet, or you can go in insert and there you will see one option. Wait, let me this one small, make it this one small. Yes. Now here I have to insert a sheet, so I will wait. Sorry, in home tab, I have to go to home tab and there you will see insert. Here it is there. You click on insert and select insert seat. Now, one more seat has come. Now, if you want to delete, then you must have to tell the computer that this seat is activated. So I want this activated seat to be deleted. Otherwise, if you will not select the seat, computer cannot understand that this seat has to be deleted. Okay, like I want seat 2 to be deleted, so I will have my cursor here and I will click on seat 2 and then right mouse button and then delete. Or I can go by other process also. I will click on delete and then delete C, which is available in the cells group. And this cell is available in which tab? Home tab. Got it? So I'm going to use this one. Deleted. So you understood how to insert, delete, and rename a seat. Now there is no restriction, my dear. You can have, yes, 100 seats, 200, whatever. There is no limit. You can have, yes, more seats in a workbook. But I recommend you, when you want more seats like 10, 12, 13, it's better that you go for a new workbook and then create the seats. Like suppose standard ninth having 5 sections, and I have to prepare the result of these 5 different sections. Then in a workbook I can have 5 seats, and each seat I will have the section: seat 1A, seat 2B, seat 3C, seat D, E, seat D, D, and seat E, F. Okay, so like suppose here I will go for insert, insert. Now what I will do, A, B, C, D, E. First of all, I will save this workbook. What I will do, I will use file, save as. And where you want, that location you have to give. I want on the desktop. Here what I will write, standard ninth result. This is my workbook that is going to be saved. I saved, and now you can see it is showing standard ninth result. Now it's time, yes, to have the section. So what I will do, I will click the right mouse button here and go for rename and use A. This one rename B, rename C, rename and then D, and rename F, E. Now I can have the shuffling also. No, A should not be. It should be first B. Then click and drag where you want to place it. Understood? So it is totally up to you in which way you want to arrange your seats. Clear? Now, next part is how to select a single cell or range of cells. See, single cell, it's easy. Wherever you want, you move your mouse pointer there and click it. You'll be getting a rectangular, dark rectangular border. You can see dark rectangular border that shows that this is the active cell. This is my cell. But when I'm talking about the range of cells, that will be in a consecutive manner, like this way. It can be either horizontally or vertically. If horizontally, then here you keep your cursor and drag it till where you want. Same way, if you want vertically, then this way you can do it. Clear? Now, The next part is non-adjacent cells. What is non-adjacent cell? That means the cells which are not in a sequence. Maybe I want this cell to be activated, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. How I can select non-consecutive cells? For that, you must have to use the CTRL key. I will show you the method. See, first I will select the first cell as normal how you do it, and then keep pressing the CTRL key. You are having two CTRL key, any one you can press it, but don't remove your finger from the CTRL key. Keep that key pressed. If you remove, your work will be cancelled, my dear. I have selected A1. Okay. Now it's time to select H5. So I'm going on H5. Selected. Now I want L1. I will go here L1. Now I want O1, O2, O3, O4. But listen, my dear, I'm not removing my finger from the CTRL key. You see, if I remove and I will select the other cell, what will happen? Whichever the cells I selected before, that all will disappear. Now I want A12, B12, C12. Then you will say, sir, what is the need to select non-consecutive range of cells? See, you will understand. 1, 5, 8, 9, 10. I want wherever I have other numbers also, like text, any text. Now I want particular that cells only will be formatted like 1, 5, and 8. Like the color should be red, size should be. Now you can watch it. Whatever the formatting effect I have applied, that has been applicable to all those cells which I selected. This is the main benefit to select non-consecutive range of cells. Understood? Now, the next part, how to select all the cells. See, my dear, I want whatever the thing that I retain in a sheet, that all things will be selected. Then in that case, I will go for CTRL and A. Understood? What I will do, I will go for CTRL and A. Now you can see how many rows and columns that you have in a sheet, that all will be activated. You see, all have been selected. Yes, there is other way also. I can apply the other method also to select all those cells. For that, I have to go to the top left corner, understood, of the sheet. See where I'm going to show you the location here at this part. Got it? Now I will click on that part. You see, when I will click on that part, what will happen? All my cells will be activated. So you understood, yes, how to select all the cells in a sheet. Now the next part is how to undo and redo. First, you have to know, I have written the definition. First, you go through this definition. Undo, which reverses the previous editor action. Editor means what? I'm an editor because I'm going to have some changing. Yes, Undo, which reverses the previous editor action, is performed by pressing the Ctrl plus Z on the keyboard. But what is redo? Redo is what? It is used to reverse and undo action. And how? Control Y. I will discuss two methods. Now, let me go to this. See, now I want name of the student, Hindi, English. Suppose these are the three subjects: Ravi, Suresh, Mohan, Rohan, Sohan, Ganesh, like this. Marks. Now, see, my dear. First, no action has been done by me. See, just one person has come and said, Sir, Rohan, that you have marked here, one in Hindi, it is wrong. It should be 21. Then what I did, I gone there. Wait. Now, I want this value to be changed. It should not be 1. It should be 23. I have already changed 1 to 23. Now again he said, no sir, you have done mistake in English also. It should not be 2. It should be 65. I again changed. Next he said, no sir, 5 you have mentioned there in computer of Sohan. That is also wrong. It should be 50. Now see students, how many changing I have done? 3 changing. First changing I done here. Wait. Now, first changing I have done here. Next changing I done in this, and the last one here. But after that, the same person came and said me, sir, which you written before, that was okay. Yes, it's my fault. I apologize for that. You please have the same. Now, what I will do in this case, my dear, I'm not understanding where I did it. So whatever, as he said, sir, whatever that 3 actions you have done it, that must be cancelled. Then in this case, I will go for undo, control plus Z. You see, my dear, you can do this task by 2 ways. You can see here. Here you can see at the top. Wait. Here you can see at the top. By this way also you can do it. Or you can use CTRL plus Z. Which one you like, that you can do it. Now I'm going to do it. Just to watch it carefully. Let me increase the size so that you can watch it carefully. Now watch it. First action was what? Just let me write here. The last action 50, next one 65, and third one 23. Now you see whether it is going to be changed or not. I'm using Control Z. Wait, again I have to come here. Control Z. Let me have the same. Now you watch it. because these actions. Now you see, now watch from here. Now first has been changed. Now second 65, that is going to be, yes, cancelled. Cancelled. Next one that is going to work on, next one that is 23. You see, changed. Now after that again he came, no sir, I said that 3 marks, that was right. Then what will happen? In that case, I have to cancel all my that task which I did it. So what I will do, I have to repeat the previous action again, which I did before. That action has to be repeated again. Then I will use control plus Y, or I can go for a redo one, you see, or I can go for this one. Okay, now what I am going to use, control Y. Now you watch it. Hence, now 2 is also going to be changed into 65. Hence, next one, 5 is going to be changed into 23. Sorry, 5 is going to be, yes, changed into 50. Got it? So this is the main benefit of undo and redo. Now, the next part, that is how to delete, move, and copying cell contents. Okay. Simple, how to delete cell contents, you know it. If suppose I want either an individual one or range of cells or non-consecutive cells. I already explained how to select this one. Using that, you can delete it. Like, I want, no, 23 should not be here. Yes, 45 should not be there. 13 should not be there. After selecting, press delete key. What happened? Everything has been deleted, which I selected. Got it? Now, next one, how to copy. Now I'm going to cancel this one. So I will use Control J. Now, next question is how to copy and move. Select this all which you want. This is to be copied. Control C. You use, click the right mouse button and copy. Or you can go with this one also. You can see this is copy. 2 pages attached with each other. Now, I have done it, copy. Now, where you want, here, I must have to keep my cursor there and I will use Control V, click the right mouse button and choose paste, or I can go by this also. This button which is available in clipboard group, that also I can use it. So I'm going to use paste. Now it has come. When I will move it, my source, whatever the values it was earlier, that all values will be removed from there, and where I targeted the cell, there it will be pasted. I'm going to show you. Okay, suppose this middle one should be moved from here to next, that is to column E. Control X. When I will use Control X, you can see the dotted line has come. This is called as marching ant. This dotted, you can see it is showing, yes, dot 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 dot. Understood? It shows that this one you have selected but has done which operation? Cut operation. And this is called as marching ant. Now after this, I will go here and I will paste it. What happened? The contents which were showing in column C, that has been removed and sent to a new column where I targeted. So this is the use of move. I hope you have understood this all topic. Thank you, my dear.